Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Saturday. Yes, Saturday, July the 30th, 2022. Almost end of the month. And it's weekend. Yes, I've already solved two puzzles. The 3 stars Sudoku and the 4-star Sudoku. Two puzzles are left, the tectonic with 4 stars and the binary. Yes, it's binary time. The rest of the puzzles in this additional, I will do this tomorrow. Because tomorrow on Sunday we don't receive any newspaper. Okay, so this binary puzzle will be number 4936. Yeah, 36. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 O's and 4 ones. Alright, so let's get started. Yesterday I have a lot of troubles with the binary and I didn't see the column that I need to compare. Yeah, could be happen. Alright. Between two O's comes in 1. Double 1. Here no, there no. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are 1s. Between two 1s comes an O. Between two 1s comes an O. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are 1s. Between two 1s comes an O. Then between the 1s comes an O. Let me see. I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, the second one, the third one, and the fourth one. So this box should be an O. Okay. Yeah. Do I need to compare again? That's the question. So soon? So early? Well, 1, 2, 3, 3 ones. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be an O. Okay. Let me see. 1, 2, 3. 3 ones in the last row. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in the last row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be an O. Okay, and I know between the 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, and the fourth O. So this box should be a 1. Okay, 3 ones we have here in this row. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be an O. Okay. Okay. Then 3. Let me think. Yeah. Need to compare. No. Cannot compare. Well, not true. The first column and the third column, almost the same. 0011 0011 empty box 00. So we need to switch those 2 digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. We have here 3 ones. No. I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, and the fourth one. So those 2 boxes should be an O. Okay. All right. And now, 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 now. No. Let me think. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 ones. If I place number 4 here, then we have 4 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules. So this can be 1. This should be an O. Double O here, 1 there, 1. 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. Alright. Okay, we're getting somewhere. Okay. 1 box left in this row. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Okay. Let me think. Think we need to compare. Well, if you look to this row and the last row, look to the ones. 1, 1. Here we have a 1. And here we have a 1. So I cannot place the 1 here. Otherwise we have identical rows. Cannot place the 1 there. So this should be an O. Okay. So the 1 should be in one of those 2 boxes. Alright. 1, 2, 3. 3 O's. Okay. But it's not getting somewhere. Cannot compare this one. 101. Do we have 101 here? No. Here we have also 101. 101. Look. This row and that row is almost the same. Look to the O's. O. Okay. 1, 1. Okay. So, if I place an O here, that box should be a 1. Yeah. If I place an O here, this should be a 1 then. Okay. So I need to, yeah. So O and a 1. Okay, here should be also O and a 1. Yeah. 3 O's. Do we have an O10 here? O10 here? No, this is not the same. O1, O. Oh. I'm stuck. You need to look better. Look. How about the 110? Do we have a 110 here? No, we don't have a 110. Stuck again. Well. 9 minutes already passed. And I'm stuck. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Do we have a 101 here? Yeah. You need to look for it. This column and that column. Empty box. 1, 1. 1, 1. empty box. So we need to switch these two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have a O here, this should be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1 here, no there, no. Double O, oh, yeah, double O here, 1 there, 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1 here, no there, no. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Now we have 2 rows or 2 columns. Oh, between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 1's comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. Double 1, here, no, there, no. Finish in 10 minutes. Wow! You need to look for it. You need to look for it. But we solve it again. We solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle of today. A tectonic with 4 stars. They call it in Dutch Cyber block. Until then, bye bye for now.